fitness person, everyone knows you for that. So what do you think of the new look of the store, and I mean, what do you think of the link of fitness and this Fit Up store that we have?
Well, I first think the products, like the shoes I'm wearing, for example, the top I'm wearing, whatever you're looking out here, where he loves that T-shirt. I think the stuff out here is very exciting. It's lovely. It's very, very high quality, and I say this with a lot of pride, being the brand ambassador of Reebok, that we've got high quality products in the store. I love the clear spaces, and there's a lot of store segregation and product segregation. So how did you come up with this concept, so?
So, John, it was very interesting. It's a global, yeah, it's exactly the same thing.
So that's great, because I think a lot of people can avail of what's happening in New York and in London and Dubai, out here in India and in Bombay specifically. So it's a great place, yeah.
Absolutely. So, all our stores have very clear demarcated areas, for example, as in continuation to what you were saying. So there are different categories of fitness that we have. So we have a CrossFit area, we have a place for us to keep fit by whatever way. We have something to offer to that person.
Absolutely, and this goes for all you people out here, especially the women and the men. There's a lot of stuff that you can now do that you've got the option of doing, because we're blessed with such beautiful looking men and women. And I think you've got the opportunity to really work out, to get fit. And I think Reebok is offering you that opportunity to actually, like they say, work out and stand out.
Yes.
Like for me, it's an everyday process. I continuously try and stay fit. There is never a day that you'd never hear of John Abraham getting fit for a film. It's not a phase in life for me for a film. It's a way of life. You have to be fit 24/7. You have to be fit 365 days a year, and there's no other way. There's no rest for the wicked, and there's no space for the weak, and that goes for all of you. You can't do crunches. Not happening.
So John, what's this?
It's a lot of discipline, and like I said, Reebok's given me the opportunity to, and I really don't say this because I'm here for Reebok, but honestly, Reebok's given me the opportunity to venture into a lot of functional training, CrossFit, a lot of core exercises that I normally wouldn't be able to do on a brand. And I'm really, really fortunate to be in the store, and I think you guys are fortunate to be here with me, because there's a lot of we could have a lot of discussions on fitness, and honestly, it won't happen in one interview. It'll take days to really tell you exactly that fitness is a way of life, and we must celebrate fitness, like I always say, like a religion. When we celebrate religious festivals, we spend 10 days, 15 days, 40 days, 30 days. Imagine spending 365 days in a religion that's called fitness. It's the best religion in the world, and the only thing you'll get out of it is a discipline and a clean mind and being super fit. That's it. And that's the trade-off.
So John,
Doing something called 100 Days, and that's something interesting. And Reebok has been kind enough to sponsor me with me and my trainers with all the apparel that's available there. And we've actually documented spaces where we've gone from fat to fit, to show everybody out here that you could get super fit if you just apply your mind, and there is no magic formula. It's only hard work, and the only time you really want to dress up is wearing attractive clothes to go to the gym. And that's how I look at it. Unfortunately, I don't go out in the nights, so you guys wouldn't see me at any page 3 or any parties or awards. But where you see me is running probably on the road, or cycling, or in my gypsy, or just trying to get super fit, because I think it's a constant endeavor to look fitter and fitter every day. And I look at my friends out here, a lot of my friends out here look even better than what they did. So everybody is into fitness. So a big hand to all of you guys, for really slogging it. Keep going for it. That's lovely. That feeling happens once in 7 years, 8 years.
Oh my God.
And I believe that your body needs a shock. Sometimes, so I shock my body maybe once in a couple of years, 2-3 years. But there is no cheat day. At the most, you cheat with a little bit of complex carbohydrates, but nothing more than that. And you just make good food a way of life, and then you won't feel like eating anything else. Trust me, when it happens, it happens. You really won't feel like eating anything else, and that's how I live my life. And eat anything unhealthy, I really feel very unwell. So I think that's a cue for all of you to stay fit all the time. My first film was Jism. My last film was Madras Cafe, and you look at any of my films in the middle, the one consistent thing is that I've always tried to stay fit and always tried to maintain an athletic physique, which I think is very important. You don't do it for a film, you do it for yourself, and that's how I live my life. Okay, I mean, I speak like a totally starstruck guy, but the guy who really inspired me to get into the film industry, in a way, was when I was in college and I saw Sylvester Stallone, and I was watching Rocky IV, and I said, this guy is working out like a dream. He's got a dream body, and one day I want to be like this guy. He's amazing. And the biggest compliment happened was when he complimented me for my physique in Shootout at Wadala, and I thought that was just a fan moment where I really felt really special. For me, he's my hero in a lot more ways than one. Yeah.
That's amazing to hear.
India's an evolving country where fitness is concerned, and I am a true blue Indian, and I'm probably more patriotic or over-patriotic than anyone around here. I can confidently say that, and I think we're on the cusp of something that's really special. And Reebok and I plan to get a lot of interesting events into India.
Yes.
So Prashant, Eric, our MD, all of us, we plan to do some very interesting stuff, and we want to introduce all of you to a lot of fitness games that we plan to get into India, and we'd like for everyone to participate, and that's the idea, to make India a fit country, because we have 1.2 billion people officially now. So I'm sure we can get a lot of fit people in this country. And we've also got the largest, youngest population in the world. So I'm sure all these youngsters out here, all the media who probably the viewers can't see, all the media people out here, they're really young, smart, and I'm sure they're going to be super fit one day.
Great.
The one person I really look up to is Stallone, and even if you see Expendables, I think he's rocking. I mean, he defines everything that's human, and I really like Sylvester Stallone. He's my hero.
Maybe talking about it professionally, health related, but what is that thing that keeps you moving?
Well, coincidentally, good question, because all my films, coincidentally, a lot of my films are based on sport. And if not sport, I'm shooting for, besides Welcome Back, I'm shooting for Rocky Handsome, and that's an all-out action film. And then a film on football with Shujit Sarkar called 1911. So everything is something has got to do with sport, and I really enjoy that space, because I know that if I'm shooting for 90 days or 100 days, I know I'm going to be playing a sport or probably doing some physical action, and I really enjoy it.
जॉन, इसी से जुड़ा हुआ सवाल है, ये कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ कि जब आप शूट पर होते हैं और इस तरह की बॉडी मेंटेन करनी है और 12-15 घंटे आप शूट करते हैं, तो दोनों चीजें कैसे मेंटेन करते हैं उसके बाद?
जी, वो तो मतलब अगर आपको एक्सक्यूजेस निकालने कि आज आप बहुत थक गए, आप वर्कआउट नहीं कर सकते, या काम बहुत है, आप वर्कआउट नहीं कर सकते, then these are little excuses. लेकिन मेरे पास कोई एक्सक्यूज नहीं है, मुझे वर्कआउट करना ही पड़ता है. कल रात को मैं आज सुबह 2 बजे सोया, मैं 5 घंटे सोया, 7 बजे उठ के मैंने वर्कआउट किया. सो आई थिंक वर्कआउट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मेरे पास कोई एक्सक्यूज नहीं है, क्योंकि पब्लिक हमें देखती है, डिसाइड वेदर यू आर फिट और यू आर नॉट फिट. तो मैं कंटिन्यूसली वर्कआउट करता हूँ. अगर 15 घंटे मैं शूट करता हूँ, आई स्टिल वर्कआउट, आई ट्राई एंड गेट इन. अगर आधा घंटा भी निकालूँ तो आई ट्राई एंड गेट इन अ वर्कआउट. फिटनेस पे पूछे ना, क्या कर रहे हो आप? फिटनेस पे पूछे ना, पूछे कुछ फिटनेस में, बोलो पुशअप्स के बारे में. 1.5 घंटा मैं वर्कआउट करता हूँ, और उसके बाद शायद 1 घंटा शाम को कार्डियो, बस, और ज़्यादा नहीं.
You were supposed to come out with your change for then actually, planning something.
Yeah, so good question. Reebok and I are planning to do something as far as fitness is concerned. Yes, I am also looking at doing something in the space of fitness, something I'll announce very soon. And I'm very excited about the venture that I'm coming up with. But at this point of time, because it's too new, I really can't speak about it because nothing is in place as of yet. But yes, I would love to, like I said, introduce fitness to the common man.
Last question, please.
The only message I give them, जैसे मैं अपने staff को देता हूँ कि पहले तो they used to have late nights party करने में कोई problem नहीं है, लेकिन you can't tell people not to drink too much or smoke, and you know, but मैं इतना ही कह सकता हूँ कि अगर आप time पे सोए, जल्दी उठे, keep your diet in place. Not every day, only for 360 days out of 365 days. That's not a lot. 5 days जो आपको you can break it up into your 52 weeks. So after every 10 weeks you can have a day off. And trust me, you can be in great shape, all of you. तो आप अपने आप पे concentrate करें, be very disciplined. खाने के मामले में be very disciplined, and I'm sure इसके बाद we'll have Nargis here, who's a complete fitness icon, and I'm sure she's really fit and she dances well also, and she's going to speak to you a lot more on fitness, and I'm sure she'll tell you a lot more. So my only advice is that be good, be clean, and work out and eat right.
How's life after marriage?
We talk about fitness.
Maybe it is related a little bit to fitness also, I think.
Yeah, we talk about fitness. Trust me, we'll do an interview on that, a full interview, full-blown interview.
Thank you, John. May I?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so. John is.
Hi everyone.
Hi Nargis, welcome. How are you?
Good, great, fantastic, excited.
So Nargis, you've known about this project for a long time. It's your first time actually in the studio. What do you think?
Yes, I think it's amazing, and I'm super excited to be here. Reebok's first
First in the world.
studio, first in the
First in the
world.
world.
Like, that's
Amazing.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to take further time. I'm going to let the two of you bond in your fitness enthusiasm and show us some moves.
This is your preferred form of fitness activity. So what exactly is your favorite?
Well, as I say this all the time, I'm a Libra, and I can't decide. So I can't choose one. I love them all.
Because I can't have too many, even of exercise. So what do you typical routine for exercise daily?
Well, I usually start with yoga in the morning, and if I want more in my day, or if I'm bored and I need to burn off some more calories or burn off some excess energy that I have, I'll do my Zumba dance routine. So those two I mostly stick with when I'm at home.
So Nargis, what's your favorite dance move? And what I suggest is let's switch it up a bit. You show me your favorite dance move.
Oh no, so you want me to teach you something? Okay. Well, I think we're missing somebody here. Isn't there someone